Are you tired of fad diets, endless calorie counting, and weight loss plans that never stick? Imagine if one tiny superfood could simplify everything. Well, today we're diving into the incredible weight loss benefits of chia seeds, a natural powerhouse that can transform your health journey. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll learn not only how chia seeds work, but also the best ways to use them for sustainable weight loss. And if you're ready to take your weight loss game to the next level, we've hand-picked some highly effective weight loss products just for you. You'll find the links to these top recommendations in the description below. Don't miss out. Let's start with the basics. Chia seeds. These tiny black and white wonders are taking the health world by storm. But do they live up to the hype, or is it just another passing trend? Stick around, because I'm uncovering the science behind chia seeds and showing you how they can help you finally achieve your weight loss goals. First, let's explore what makes chia seeds so remarkable. They're packed with nutrients your body needs to stay healthy and lose weight effectively. High in fiber, natern al aminostate, so nearly 10 grams per ounce to keep you full longer. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, great for overall health and reducing inflammation. Loaded with protein and antioxidants for muscle support and fighting free radicals. But here's the kicker. Chia seeds aren't magic, they work because of science. When soaked in water, chia seeds can absorb up to 12 times their weight, forming a gel-like substance. This expands in your stomach, making you feel fuller for longer and reducing your urge to snack. Even better, the fiber in chia seeds slows down digestion, helping stabilize blood sugar levels and prevent those frustrating hunger spikes. Have you ever tried chia seeds? Comment below and share your favorite way to use them. I'd love to hear from you. So, how can you incorporate chia seeds into your daily routine? Here are 3 simple and effective ways. 1. Chia water. Mix 1 tablespoon of chia seeds in a glass of water. Let it sit for 10 minutes, then drink it before meals to curb your appetite. 2. Smoothie booster. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons to your favorite smoothie for an easy nutrient upgrade. 3. Overnight pudding. Combine chia seeds with almond milk, let it sit overnight, and enjoy a delicious, healthy breakfast. Before you dive in, keep these quick tips in mind. Stick to 1 to 2 tablespoons per day to avoid any digestive discomfort. Always soak them first. Eating dry seeds can be dangerous if not hydrated. Pair chia seeds with a balanced diet and regular exercise for the best results. Did you know soaking chia seeds is essential? If this tip was new to you, hit that thumbs up button to show your support. Chia seeds are one of the simplest, most affordable ways to supercharge your weight loss journey. Ready to give them a try? Let me know in the comments which recipe you're excited to make first. And don't forget, like, share, and subscribe to Holistic Living for more practical tips to improve your health and wellness. Turn on that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Stay healthy, stay happy, and I'll see you in the next one. Check out the description for more helpful resources and products to help you on your journey. That's all. Weight loss seekers, see you in the next Holistic Living video.